All right, so now that the lift kit is complete on my 2017 Toyota 4Runner, it is time for the tire and wheel upgrade. I am so excited for this change to the vehicle. The 4Runner looks great in its stock form, but there's just something about these SR5 wheels and tires that aren't quite doing it for me. So I'm really excited. In today's video, we're going to be getting the new wheel and tire setup installed, and then I'll give you a look at the vehicle with that new setup. Before we get started, let's do a quick walk around so you can see the vehicle in its stock form first. As I mentioned, I just installed a set of Bilstein 5100 shocks on the front and rear of the 4Runner. Put a link to the install instructions in the description below. If you're not familiar with the 5100s, they're a really popular option among Toyota owners. They're very economical. They result in a really nice improvement in ride quality. They increase travel for off-road driving, and they allow you to lift the vehicle up to 2.5 inches in the front and up to 2 inches in the rear. Now I decided to just lift the front of the vehicle to kind of level it out. So I put it on the first clip, which lifts the front just under 1 inch, leaving the rear suspension at stock height. Since this is our primary family vehicle, I didn't want to run the ride quality, fuel economy, or make it too hard to get in and out of. And then I've seen a number of vehicles with these leveling kits. I think they look pretty nice, and especially with a set of aftermarket wheels and tires. The 4Runner comes with a pretty pronounced rake in its stock form, so lifting up that front end just gives it that more level appearance. Now when it came time to choose a tire to upgrade on the 4Runner, it was a very easy decision for me. If you guys follow me on my channel, I've got this 2016 Toyota Tacoma, and after doing quite a bit of research, settled on a Goodyear Wrangler Ultra Terrain AT tire. On the Tacoma, we've got a set of 265/75 R16 tires. Got a really rugged appearance to them, really improves the look of the truck. Got a friend with KO2s, and we compared them side by side and both agreed that the Ultra Terrains just have a beefier look to them that I'm a huge fan of. So when it came time to upgrade for the 4Runner, voila, set of Goodyear Wrangler Ultra Terrain ATs. Now I decided to stick with the stock tire size. So it's a set of LT 265/70 R17s. It's got the Mountain Snowflake, so good for snow driving, which will be important for us. Again, you'll see it's got a very beefy tread to it. And as I mentioned with the Tacoma, I've been very impressed with this tire, not only from an aesthetic standpoint, but the performance has been incredible. Handles really good in snow and ice, off-road driving. So really excited to get the same tire setup on the Tacoma. Now wheels, this was a hard decision. So many good wheel options out there. Really debated on the TRD Pro route, but I feel like everybody does it, and I wanted to do something that was just a little bit different. So I went with a set of FN wheels, and if we pull this off, voila, looks like a TRD Pro, but it's not. It's actually a little bit different. It's got a very similar profile to the TRD Pro, but it's a little bit more concave and seems to have a little bit more of a glossy appearance to it. So it gives it kind of that TRD Pro look, but it also is just a little bit more unique. Now these were a little bit tricky to find. If you go to their website, it's not incredibly obvious where they're at. So put a link to them in the description below. And by the way, with the Goodyear Wrangler Ultra Terrains, if you want to buy a set of those, you want to go to Discount Tire. They're the exclusive seller of this tire setup. Now one thing I'm not crazy about with this set of FN FX Pro wheels is the center caps. And I don't think they really expect you to use them, but because of copyright issues, they include them. So pretty plain looking. However, it's designed to set this little TRD Pro cap in there. Perfect fit and looks a whole lot better. Now they do sell this cap in either the stainless steel or black, and you can actually get this wheel in a few different color options as well. I decided to go with the black with the silver cap. It's actually a Tacoma in town with the same wheel tire setup, and that's what set me on it for my vehicle. So they look pretty cool. I'm really excited to see what they look like mounted on the vehicle. Next step is to load them up and take them down to Discount Tire. So that's the wheel tire setup on my 2017 Toyota 4Runner. I could not be happier with the overall result. The Bilstein 5100s, the FN wheels with the TRD center caps, the Goodyear Wrangler Ultra Train ATs make a perfect combination. Let me know what you think about this setup in the comments below. I'd love to get your feedback. For more videos on the 5th generation 4Runner, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.